In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a purchase on StockX. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of requesting a cancellation of a purchase that you've made on StockX. If you go over to the official help center, you will notice that even though they offer self-service cancellation, this isn't going to be available for everyone. If you would like to check if your specific order has the option to be canceled, then all that you have to do is go to your pending orders page, and under your pending orders on your account page, you will be able to find cancel order. However, if this isn't available or you don't want to go about with this process, then what you can do is go over to the help center. So go to stockx.com through a web browser, access the help center, and in here, if you scroll down, you will find the option to contact them. So this is going to be your best bet to get a refund. You will have to present a genuine reason on why you want a refund or you want to cancel this purchase, and as long as the reason is genuine and primarily the item hasn't been shipped, there is a very high chance that they will grant you the cancellation and the refund. Be aware of the customer service hours, so email works 24/7. However, phone and live chat will have some limitations. So click on contact us, and in here you will be able to enter your email. Now I'm just going to enter a random one as an example to proceed. Afterwards, enter your name, again, just a random one to proceed. And finally, we are able to choose the main issues. So it's going to be order support. And all that you have to do is follow along with the instructions. You will be able to detail your issue, and as I've highlighted earlier, you need to be genuine and tell them why you want to cancel this purchase. As long as you are able to give them a proper reason on why you want to have this purchase canceled, they will be able to assist you on how to proceed, and this talk will be done either by live chat or email. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel a purchase on StockX. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.